Hello, welcome to Microsoft Azure Cloud channel. In this module, we will talk about Azure Service Bus and what are the advanced features. And I will log into Azure portal. I will show you how to create a service bus. What is Azure Service Bus? Service Bus is reliable cloud messaging as a service and simple hybrid integration. Microsoft Azure Service Bus is a fully managed enterprise integration message broker. Service Bus can decouple applications and services. Service Bus offers a reliable and secure platform for asynchronous transfer of data and state. Depends on Azure Service Bus when you need highly reliable cloud messaging service between applications and services, even when one or more is offline. Data is transferred between different applications and services using messages. A message is in binary format and can contain JSON, XML, or just text. Some common messaging scenarios are a messaging is transfer business data such as sales or purchase orders, journals, or inventory movements. Decouple applications. Decouple applications are improve reliability and scalability of application and services. Client and service don't have to be online at the same time. Topics and subscriptions. Topics and subscriptions are enable one-to-one relationships between publishers and subscribers. Message sessions. Message sessions are implement workflows that require message ordering or message deferral. Let's talk about namespaces, queues, and topics. A namespace is a container for all messaging components. Multiple queues and topics can be in a single namespace, and namespaces often serve as application containers. What are queues? Messages are sent to and received from queues. Queues store messages until the receiving application is available to receive and process them. You can see in the diagram, top diagram, you can see message queue with messages. You can see sender and receiver. Messages in queues are ordered and time-stamped on arrival. Once accepted, the message is held safely in redundant storage. Messages are delivered in pull mode, only delivering messages when requested. What are the topics? You can also use topics to send and receive messages. While a queue is often used for point-to-point communication, topics are useful in publish, subscribe scenarios. You can see the below diagram, topic with 3 subscription with messages. You can see 1 sender and 3 receiver. Topics can have multiple independent subscriptions. Multiple are independent subscriptions. A subscriber to a topic can receive a copy of each message sent to the topic. Subscriptions are named entities. Subscriptions persist but can expire or auto-delete. You may not want individual subscriptions to receive all messages sent to a topic. If so, you can use rules and filters to define conditions that trigger optional actions. What are the advanced features? Message sessions, auto forwarding, dead letter queue, scheduled delivery, message deferral, batching, transaction, filtering and actions, auto delete on idle, duplicate detection, security for protocol, geo disaster recovery and security. We will talk about 3 or 4 advanced features in brief. Then I will log into Azure portal and I will show you how to create a service bus. Let's talk about advanced feature message sessions. To create a first in, first out guarantee in service bus, use sessions. Message sessions enable joint and ordered handling of unbounded sequences of related messages. Let's talk about auto forwarding. The auto forwarding feature changes a queue or subscription to another queue or topic. They must be part of the same namespace. With auto forwarding, Service Bus automatically removes messages from a queue or subscription and puts them in a different queue or topic. Let's talk about another advanced feature, scheduled delivery. You can submit messages to a queue or topic for delayed processing. You can schedule a job to become available for processing by a system at a certain time. I will log into Azure portal. I will show you how to create a service bus. I'm in the Azure portal. I will go to home and go to search. Just type service bus. Under the services, we can say service bus. Just click on service bus and click on add. And we need to create a new resource group. I will say service bus F1 resource group. And we need to give a name to this service bus. I will say service bus test 1, 2, 3 is not available. I'll just say some random numbers. And location, let's choose East US. And let's check the pricing details. These are the pricing tiers available, recommended premium, and all available pricing tiers are basic, standard, and premium. I'll just pick basic and let's review. Validation succeeded. Let's create this service bus. You can see deployment in progress. It may take just a couple of minutes. Deployment is completed. Let's go to resource and just hit refresh. We are in now service bus namespace, and I'll show you how to create a queue. Just click on queues under the entities and click on queue. Here we need to give a name for this queue. I'll just say sample 1 and maximum queue size can define up to 5 GB. I'll just say 1 GB and message time to live 14 days. Message time to leave 14 days and hours you can specify, and enable duplicate detection, enable date lettering on message expiration, enable session. I'll just click on enable partitioning. Let's create this queue. Now our queue was successfully created. Let's click on queue. Here we can see 0 messages, active message count, scheduled message count. You can send and receive messages using various programming languages, .NET, Java, Node.js using Azure Service Bus package, Node.js using Azure SP package, PHP, Python, and Ruby. So we covered what is Service Bus. We covered in this module what is Service Bus and what are the advanced features of Service Bus and how to create a Service Bus using Azure portal. If you have any questions or concerns on Azure Service Bus, please post it in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.